This video is about the whole process of lightweight wall panel machine. This part is the cement fly ash silo. For this part, since the volume is too large, customers usually buy locally. This part is the EPS foaming system. Usually it is need a boiler, steam tank, fluidized bed to do the foaming. This part is the aggregate lifting hopper. For the aggregate, usually we have sand, pumice, ceramicite, and some construction waste, etc. This is a mixing platform. All the raw materials will be put into the mixer. The mixer is our own patent. The advantage is the mixer is double shot, so could guarantee there's no block for the mixing raw materials. Also, the mixer is sealed, so there's no dust. Customers do not need to prepare the dust collector. This is the Modecar installation part. Usually for 2 to 3 workers, it needs 20 to 30 minutes to finish the installation of one Modecar. If customers need the composite wall panel, then we need workers to put the calcium silicate board into the mold. The specification of the calcium silicate board is usually 2440 6010 and the thickness is 5. This part is the casting raw materials. When we do the casting by the pump, it is from bottom to up, so it could squeeze the bubbles out. This way could guarantee the straight of the finished panel. For the casting, usually if for one workers, it needs around 20 minutes to casting one Modecar. If for 2 workers, it needs around 12 minutes to casting one Modecar. After casting, workers need to scrape the top of the Modecar. If you want to improve the working efficiency, you can also equip the second pump. For EPS lightweight wall panel machine, usually this machine could produce different kinds of finished panel. So it needs to use different Modecar to produce this panel. For this machine, it mainly has 2 kinds of a Modecar. One is vertical Modecar and another is a horizontal Modecar. This video only shows the vertical Modecar. Actually, for this vertical Modecar, we have a kind of a double functional Modecar. It means that there's a steel plate in the vertical Modecar, so that it could produce both the composite wall panel and solid core panel. The composite wall panel means that on the surface there are the calcium silicate board. The solid core panel means that there's no surface board on the both sides of the panel. After casting, the Modecar will be transported into the curing area. Usually it needs 8 to 12 hours for the curing. If the weather is cold, the curing time can be a little bit longer. This part is the demoting part for the EPS lightweight wall panel machine. It has both the semi-automatic and the full automatic. Actually, the automation degree just means the different way of demoting. This way shows the semi-automatic demoting. It means that the workers need to use this lifting device to separate the panel from the mold. Usually one time, one panel. If 2 workers need around 20 to 30 minutes to demold one Modecar. If customers need full automatic, we have full automatic demolding system. It means that this system could pull out the panel 20 pieces at one time, so it could increase the labor's intensity. Finally, the finished panel will be transported into the stock area. Okay, this is the whole production process for this machine.